Hey internet, so this is going to be part 2 of the caliper build-up. We've received the all-important repair kit. Really quite impressed with these guys because the one kit does 2 calipers, so that's really good. So it was a flipping good price. So yeah, we've got that. I bought some new copper grease because I haven't got any left, and we're going to, after the calipers were really soaked well, I've cleaned them all out. They're all now ready for prepping, ready for painting. So I'm going to get that done, get them built back up, and then we can get them back on the bike. My eBay shout out today though really goes to ER Parts in Germany. I've received the new loom, or the replacement loom. All looks good. I'm going to be fitting that this weekend. Yeah, we're going to, as I might have mentioned, it's even got the side stand cut-off switch still on it, which is just brilliant news. So yeah, we'll have a good look at that. The connectors don't look too bad, but we've got some cleaner anyway. I mean, they're the connectors that all go into the headlamp bowl, and they're just 10 times better than what we've got on at the moment. So yeah, looking forward to getting that done. But yeah, I am going to carry on with the brake calipers first. So yeah, the ER Parts in Germany, it arrived a week before they said they were going to. I realised that the stuff has to go through customs, so I don't know, maybe that makes a bit of a delay or gives it a bit of a delay. But really pleased with the quality of the part that's come. It was a good price as well. It's a fast delivery. So danke ER Parts aus Deutschland. Ein toller Lieferant. So yeah, great. Thanks very much. Let's crack on with the calipers.